Yo guys, welcome back to Drone Legends. Today we're back with another drone flight. Today we're in this nice open area. We're gonna do this nice drone flight. I was gonna take off of this from this bench at first, but I don't want it to hit the thing, so I'm gonna take it off from the floor. So start recording. Right, start recording. Now we're gonna take off. I'm going to try this 6 shot. I'm going to try something. I'm going to try and go straight down here at sport mode. Check this out. Look at that. That's so sick. Look how fast it goes. Look at it go. I'm gonna go high. Oh, that's a mad shot. Right, let's start heading back now quickly. And I never really put the drone in sports mode, but that was a great way to start off the flight. So we're in a place called Parsloes Park. It's a bit windy today. We're going to do a 360 photo now, once I come back. It's coming back slower because of the wind, so maybe I shouldn't have done that because the battery's draining really fast. I want to try and last for as long as possible. So yeah, there's the drone. Alright, so that's me right there. We're going to extend. Oh wait, let me just put it back in normal mode. We're gonna get this kind of shot. Look at that, looks so nice. We're gonna do a 364, we're gonna stop recording. Go to, actually we're gonna do this photo. Looks so sick. We're gonna go to panorama mode. I don't think the battery's gonna last as long today because it's so windy. The drone has to fight the wind. It has to fight the wind, and because of that, the drone's battery's gonna deplete much faster. So that's why I'm maybe soon when the weather gets better, I'm gonna get 2 batteries for this drone. See, there's a lake down there. I wanna try and go to the lake after this. Once it's done this 360 photo, I'm going to explore this area called Parsloes Park. Alright, once it's done, we're going to explore this area. Right, back into video mode. You know what we're going to try and do? We're going to try and get a low down shot of the drone looking down. Shadows right here. Look at that shot. Let's go orbit this area. The drone is fighting the wind right now. Let's try and get a shot of this. This is a strong gust. The drone's right here. Let's bring it a little bit more down. Alright, let's go towards this area. Try and get this nice shot. I'm gonna go to this river. We're gonna orbit it. What's that place over there? Get a nice shot of Parsloes Park, the river. Look at that. What's that? Swans, oh yeah. I want to see what that's over there. Alright, let's go back. Let's get this kind of shot. Right, stop recording by accident. Look at that bus. Such an old bus. I want to follow it. Oh, that's a nice shot of this bus. I'm glad I got that actually. I'm drawing slow because of the wind. I'm gonna follow it. Look at that shot. When it's sunny, the shots are so sick. Well, let's go back to where I am right now. I'm going the other way, so let's just go back to where I am over here. I'm gonna go low down. Somewhere over here. I'm gonna go low down. We're gonna get shadow of the drone on here. Look at that. What does that say? It's quite mad. I'm really far away. And I can see. Obviously we're gonna stay in normal mode so the drone doesn't hit it. Look at that shadow. Cinematic shot from a distance away. Well, let's go back now. Alright, let's go a bit lower, let's go a bit higher. Cinematic shot actually, look. Alright, let's get a low down shot. Actually, I'm gonna go low. Go backwards. We can try sports mode, low down on the grass. We're gonna go sports mode. We did this exact same thing last time. Oh, we need to hit the bird. Gotta be careful. Alright, let's not do that. I don't want to smack my drone. Because I've seen videos of people who do the exact same thing. They go low down, they go in FPV mode, and then they end up hitting their drone. We're going to try this shot. Check this out. FPV mode. Look at that, it looks so sick. Right. Let's just stay local now because the battery's about to die. Let's see what kind of shots we can get now. Where can we go? Which side can we go? We can go this side. Let's go back to normal mode. we better not go too far, otherwise if the battery dies when it's far, then that's bad. Because I've seen a lot of people, seen YouTube videos of where people do that. They go out too far when the battery's low, and yeah, the drone will end up landing far away. Let's get the last shot of this. Let's forget return to home for now, because I'm gonna bring it back myself. I'm gonna get this shot. And then we're gonna go backwards as we sun is gone now, just as I finished the flight. Such a perfect time for the sun to go, because I wanted it to be sunny while I was flying to get good shots. See, look, you can see the sunset. Let's spend the last. Actually, no, we took many photos of the London skyline anyway. So there's no point. We're gonna get this shot instead. Alright, we're really low. We better come back right now. So we're gonna come back now. At the same time, we're gonna get a cinematic shot while we come back. Alright, let's get this. Let's come back now. Right, let's land it now. I was going to land it on the ground. Alright, that was my video. So yeah, more flights coming soon. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and peace out, guys.